So, hi guys, a very good evening to all of you. My name is Harsh Gagrani, and today, on the occasion of A-Lit results getting announced, we are speaking with the A-Lit top rankers. Uh, and today, we have with us Shivam, who is a student of the Southex branch of a Delhi center, and who has also secured an All India rank 9 and has a pretty inspirational journey, जिस पर अपन काफी discussion अभी करने वाले हैं. So, welcome, Shivam.
Thank you so much, sir.
How's the feeling? How did the first 3 hours go?
So after the result, it's a pretty interesting story that I was in the mall nearby with a buddy of mine, Siddhant, and we were just goofing around since I was celebrating my CLAT results. कि CLAT भी ठीक गया है तो चलो थोड़ा घूम के आते. And I had just reached तो उसी समय I got a call from a mentor at Legal Edge. She told me कि results आ गए check करो. So I checked it. It was rank 9. Well, obviously I was pretty happy. कि भाई ये तो very good, very good.
And what is your ranking,
Um,
Clat?
My rank in CLAT is 98, sir.
Wonderful, yeah.
Thank you
So,
so much.
okay. And so yes, Uh, let's start with the basics. Law is a career. कैसे चुना? Are you a first generation lawyer घर पे या फिर पहले से कुछ background है?
So I am a first generation lawyer. Law as a career कैसे चुना? It's a story. कि our school has this thing. I'm from Modern Delhi International in Faridabad. So our school has this thing where from fourth grade itself, students who perform in academics are put into a separate section altogether, and then they're tutored specifically for maths and sciences. Of course, gearing them up for the default setting, which is PCM. So मेरा भी वो था. And from fourth to 10th, actually, I was me and a bunch of my friends. So we were in this sort of focused group, जहाँ
Okay.
पे we were being prepared for extra level का maths and sciences.
Okay.
तो फिर 9th 10th में आके I realized कि and this is something which I'm very grateful for कि I got that opportunity to spend that time surrounded by so many focused people. I mean, obviously different from what I chose in the end. But what I noticed कि all of them, they enjoyed what they were doing. They enjoyed solving math. They enjoyed the sciences. And something I noticed about myself was कि apart from being selected in this classroom of 40, 50 kids, before that, as a child, what I always used to love was reading books. I mean, as a kid, I was a huge reader. I'd spend the day just sitting with a stack of books and धूप आती थी वहां पे बैठ के मैं आराम से घंटों तक पढ़ते रहता था. And my parents would very often scold me कि बेटा कल एग्जाम है रिवाइज कर लो नॉवेल मत पढ़ो अभी. But so that was something
And
which
what are the
I
authors that we're talking about?
I'm sorry, sir.
What are the authors that we're talking about? Who are your favorite authors?
My favorite authors, that's something which has changed a lot. My favorite book, and this is something which is very close to my heart, is House of the Blue Mangoes by David Davidar.
Okay.
He's not a very big author, he's majorly a publisher, but उनकी कुछ किताबें भी है. I really love that book. बाकी किताबें तो काफी मेरे को I really love them. Um, then again, abhi I read Will Durant's Story of Philosophy. That was also pretty eye-opening.
Okay.
Um, So, right, what I was saying was कि in 9th and 10th grade, I realized कि this is something I noticed about myself. कि, okay, these people, they really love their maths and sciences. I don't think I do. What do I really love? I really love reading. I really love playing with new ideas, you know. And so in 9th grade, decided to talk to my parents कि मम्मी पापा, I don't think I want to take PCM. I think I would much rather take the humanities. And the thing is, I had also started attending a bunch of conferences, MUNs, and all those
Okay.
stuffs at like inter-school competitions, and those gave me a lot of exposure as to this other side of academics. As in, I mean, humanities in I feel secondary school in India at least, it's not explored to its limits. I mean, not nearly. So doing MUNs, you realize, okay, this subject is so rich in the way it affects a person's life. So when I started to see all of that, I realized, oh my God, this is such a brilliant thing. Why don't I would love to study this. So thankfully, my parents were also supportive. If you're really passionate about it, so ठीक है करो. So I took
Okay.
humanities, and I always so when I started doing MBA, so what really appealed to me in all of humanities was law. That how something which we humans create governs us. It's a pretty crazy thing how our philosophizing creates these rules which governs our entire lives,
Okay.
completely out of our philosophizing, out of our heads. It's pretty crazy. I mean, to me, it is. It's still pretty crazy. So that's how this interest started, and that's this is how it's going.
Came into law as a career. Got it. And I think you've studied, you prepared for CLAT and AILET for 2 years, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And how was the preparation journey like in the first year and in the second year? What was the difference? And or were there any regrets? यार ये चीज़ से मेरे को 11th में ही कर लेनी चाहिए थी.
Right. Sir, in the first year, honestly, I was
संतोष?
not very committed to my preparation. I took it a lot lightly. कि ठीक है अभी तो काफी समय है.
Okay.
So in the first year, I have a lot of regrets about the first year, obviously. Okay, had I started preparing for GK उस समय से, it's not as if उस समय का GK काम आता अभी के. But when you start studying GK, you learn the process of studying GK, which is the really important part. I feel like had I gotten that process somewhat earlier, तो maybe it would have helped some more. But major ऐसे कोई regrets नहीं है. I took the first year a bit lightly. Of course, I think first year में basics मैंने काफी strengthen किए थे अपने. As in कि something which I used to do always is कि even in 11th grade,
Okay.
जो भी mock देखता था, I used to be very specific कि जो गलतियां हो गया, I analyze them properly and I make sure I don't repeat them.
Okay.
So in the first year, as to the material, I was not very focused, but to my mocks, I was always um, uh, very committed. कि जो गलतियां है, I note them down. I make sure I don't repeat them again. Obviously, repeat होती ही थी, but then that's the way you learn.
And how many mocks you would have taken in the first year and in the second year?
In the first year, sir, I think must have been a total of around 60 to 70 mocks, not a lot. Legal edge, I think, उतने तो हो ही जाते हैं. I give around 60 to 70 mocks.
Yes.
In the second year, I don't remember how many mocks I've given this year. I don't think I've counted. It must be maybe around 100, I think. I'm not sure.
And was there any
Um,
phase during the complete journey जो बिल्कुल ऐसा लग रहा था कि यार अब तो नहीं होगा अ, और उस फेज से वापस कैसे आए अपन
so
उस चीज
that's
को
actually a
ओवरकम कैसे
very, very interesting question because should I?
Sure.
So like around a month before CLAT, November May, my mom was admitted to AIMS Delhi for
Okay.
surgery she had to go through. Like, touch wood, she's completely fine now. Say hi to
Hi,
everyone.
hello everyone.
So, but so my mom, she was admitted to the hospital. She was there for around 35 to 36 days, and I was absolutely not ready for it because this is something which I feel I this is something really learned this year specifically. Ki before all this happened, my perspective towards this exam and my approach towards any goal which I set is कि okay, there are so many variables, I must be in control of all of them. मेरे को ये करना है तो सब लाइन में रहना चाहिए तो मैं करूंगा.
Okay.
सब सेट होना चाहिए. Then, and luckily, my parents also, my dad really, he always told me, okay, that's not the way life works. You can never control all the variables. That's just not the way human beings function. And this is something he used to tell me early this year also, कि ठीक है, performance जैसे भी है, वो दिन पे भी बहुत चीजों का फर्क पड़ता है, which you can never control. All you can control is yourself. And thankfully I had those ideas in my head when I got to this phase when mummy was in the hospital, and all that sense of controlled environment, all of the all of that environment I had created कि मैं coaching जा रहा हूँ, मैं घर पे शांति से पढ़ रहा हूँ, all of that was completely thrown away. So it was a really, really chaotic period. And in those times, what I always told myself was कि ठीक है, that's life. That's life. You can't control it. That's life. This happens. कौन सी जिंदगी होता ही है भाई. That's life. So and then I told myself, all I can control is how I react to it.
How
All
you
I can
react to
control
it,
is what
yes.
I do. I can't overthink कि हे भगवान अब क्या होगा, कि अब ऐसा है, एक महीने में क्लैट है तो ये होगा तो वो होगा. Forget about all that stuff. All I can do is कि आज मैं शाम में जाके क्या करूंगा, which will help me out. So I think it's that you control what you think. You control that overthinking and you tell yourself, okay, whatever it is, what can I do right now to make the best out of whatever I have? How do I stay in the moment? How do I not lose my head to whatever future the human brain can imagine? No, there's no need for that. There's no point of that. Stay in the moment and prepare and do what you can do best. So I feel like this is something I really learned this year specifically, and I'd say this is the silver lining in all of those things which happened. It has really taught me a lot about maybe all of the things I will face ahead in life.
Exactly.
So
I
this
think,
would be that.
it's, I mean, and that's a lot of wisdom in just 5 minutes. And your dad told you the exact, it's the right thing because, and it happens with all of us all the time that we might feel that we have everything in control and all the variables should be within our control. And but then some random event happens which throws you off, and then you realize that not everything is there in your control, and
Exactly.
you can just control how you react to it. Uh,
Exactly.
and and yes, I mean, and you react pretty well to it considering the rank that you got in both Latin and Elite. Uh, even when I think you'd be juggling between the hospital and home and coaching in the last 1 month, right?
Right, right, right.
Right. That's wonderful.
It was very exhausting, all the traveling. Very exhausting.
Ah, yeah, and especially in a place like Delhi. Uh,
Mhm.
and I sincerely hope that auntie is doing a lot
Yeah.
better now and she's all well now.
After the results, I'm feeling much, much better.
हाँ हाँ हाँ, पिछला हफ्ता एकदम से आप अच्छे हो गए होंगे और आज और ज्यादा अच्छे हो गए 98 के बाद भी एंड देन 9 के बाद भी
बिल्कुल एकदम.
वंडरफुल यार ओके एंड okay, and what was the weakest section throughout and how did you deal with it?
So my weakest section, I think, it was GK.
Okay.
And the way I dealt with it was कि I made it a point कि I never missed the newspapers. Okay, because I was very confident कि because I had that strong background in reading because I had been reading for years. कि I thought, okay, in English and even in CR, which is pretty tricky sometimes. I mean, it can get very tricky sometimes. I know कि I can handle it pretty decently. I mean, if there's a question which everybody is getting wrong, then I might get it wrong. But the odds of me doing good in CR are pretty high because I know I have that background in reading. And I think this is something which is pretty important. CLAT is just 2 hours of reading. This is something which I would tell myself a lot. But my weakest section was GK. And I dealt with it by making it a point that I never miss my newspapers.
Okay.
And Legal Edge ka material was honestly very, very helpful. उसी के what I used to do was कि I would read up topics on my own, which I used to pick out of the newspapers, and then I would check myself against the Legal Edge का compendium. कि okay, am I missing something? What is that detail जो यहाँ पे है but मैंने note नहीं किया? And then you apply that same rule to other topics also. कि okay, कि मेरे जीके के approach में क्या flaw आ रहा है? So I think this was my weakest point, and that's how I dealt with it.
Got it. Got it. And GK, if it was a weaker section, on a daily basis, usually कितना time देता था and उसमें time divide कैसे करता था? Yeah, let's say on a weekly basis, what were the things that you used to do in GK on a weekly basis, which helped you in both Latin and Elite?
Something which I put a lot of emphasis on in GK ka preparation was revision. And I used a lot of different techniques for revision also. With Beach, I started using online electronic flashcards on my laptop, I used a lot of different techniques to make sure कि, I mean, it's a very personal thing, I think, कि whatever sticks, whatever makes things stick in your head. So, and flashcards also make it a lot more flexible. कि wherever you are, you can do it on your smartphone. So, I put a lot of emphasis on revision. So, हर दिन मैं, I think, around 1 hour या 1.5 hour revision मेरा रहता था. But it would not be too rigorous because, I mean, rigorous as in it would not be too taxing because I made it somewhat fun with the flashcards and everything, and even with the notes, it became somewhat fun because I was telling myself a story again and again. Um, uh, and I think for night topics के लिए हर दिन I would not spend more than 45 minutes. Around half an hour to 45 minutes मैं point लेके चलता था कि night topics के लिए लगाना है. Because I feel like even GK CLAT does not expect a 12th student to know a lot of GK. They expect like what would a 12th grader know? They want a 12th grader to be curious about the things happening around the world. They want them to be well read, which is something I feel is very important.
And that is why
They
that is
are
the kind of topics that they also ask this time in CLAT and ALE.
exactly this time. Like that question, AI 171 के passage, जो Soul Survivor वाला. I mean, that's a question which you won't get if you're studying GK exclusively for GK. No, you won't get. You'll get it if you're read very widely. If you've been reading the magazines, if you've been reading the newspapers again and again, then you'll know that interesting part, which is only covered in the newspapers and magazines. So I think this is something which is pretty important that approach GK का वैसे होना चाहिए, that it's reading based.
Got it. Got it. Okay. So you were a part of 2 year student. You were a 2 year student at the Southex Center, right?
Yes, sir.
So how did the Delhi team treat you? How was your experience at the Southex Center? If you can name a few people, and how did they help you in the whole journey?
Definitely, sir. I think Abhishek sir, first of all, I cannot thank him enough. Abhishek sir, I mean, with all of this mental thing, yes, how to deal with all of these things, Abhishek sir also played a very huge role. I
Okay.
remember having these conversations with him, and he's the one who told me, you take it as a player. It's a game, you take it as a player. Some balls you cannot hit. You have to avoid. Some balls you hit, उसमें do your best. It's a game.
Okay.
So Abhishek sir, he made it a point to instill in me that mindset, that player mentality. कि ठीक है भाई, तू मैच खेलने जा रहा है, तू अच्छे से दे, नहीं हुआ तो ठीक है, क्या बात है. So that was Abhishek sir and Shubham sir also. Shubham sir and Rohit sir. Rohit sir also was very great. Shubham sir and Rohit sir, they would always sit with me whenever I came with. So what I used to do was मैं सारे mock 5-6 mocks लेता था और मैं उसमें जो भी I told you right कि I used to mark the questions I got wrong. तो मैं वो colored paper stickers उस पे mark कर देता कि ये सवाल सही नहीं हुआ, क्या इसमें क्या कारण है. और मैं 5-6 लेके स्टैक लेके उनके सामने बैठ जाता था कि सर अब you sit with me for 20, 25, 30 minutes. And
Okay.
then they were very kind to tolerate all that
Okay.
nonsense. So that was pretty kind of them. And yeah, I think Rashmi ma'am was also a lot of help. She would always check up after, I think, every few weeks on how I was doing.
Got it. Got it. Got it. That's great, yeah. So thank you so much, Shivam. Thank you so much for the interview. Wonderful rank, wonderful result, wonderful rank in ALED, wonderful rank in CLAT.
Thank you so much.
And wonderful rank, wonderful result, considering whatever that you went through in the last few months, last couple of months. And we're so glad to hear that Auntie is all well now. And I'm sure she's so glad to hear that your rank, the rank that you got, which was 9 and I think 98, right, in CLAT.
Yes.
So you'll have to make a difficult decision of going to either Delhi or Bangalore or Hyderabad. So,
Yes.
but ठीक है, सारी उंगलियां घी में that way. So बढ़िया यार. So ठीक है, that's it. All the very best, and let's stay in touch, Shivam. Right?
All right.
Thank you so
Thank
much, Auntie. Namaste.
So one thing, could you edit out the parts where I got too repetitive?
नहीं ठीक है even if you're repetitive चलता है. वो natural है. वो तो बीच में थोड़ा बहुत अगर कोई वर्ड गलत भी प्रोनाउंस कर दिया कुछ, उससे लगता है कि अपन इंसान लोग बात कर रहे हैं. अदरवाइज वो कुछ ज्यादा ही परफेक्ट लगता है, ज्यादा परफेक्ट चलता नहीं है सोशल मीडिया पे। तो इट्स
समझ
परफेक्टली फाइन इवन इफ यू रिपीटेड, आई मीन हाँ, तेरा इंटरव्यू है तो यू आर अलाउड टू बी व्हाटएवर यू वांट।
थैंक यू
तो
सो वेरी
ऐसा है, राइट? चल, ऑल द बेस्ट। चल,
मच। कुछ बोलो।
क्या बोलूं,
एक
थैंक यू सो
मिनट,
मच।
एक मिनट रुको। हाँ जी आंटी,
Yeah.
प्लीज कंटिन्यू।
I just want to mention one thing. One of the mentor was in touch with me also when I was in the hospital. I don't remember the name exactly. But उन्होंने मेरे से बोला था कि मैम आप हॉस्पिटल में हैं तो if there is any help like regarding शिवम, उसके प्रिपरेशन या उसके मेंटल हेल्थ या whatever, if you feel कि इसको जरूरत है तो just let us know. So that was a very big support. I mean that gave me a lot of peace of mind, बिकॉज हॉस्पिटल बेड में लेट के मेरे को बहुत टेंशन हो रही थी कि बेचारा बच्चा अकेला कैसे कर रहा होगा, बट दैट गेव मी अ लॉट ऑफ पीस ऑफ माइंड एक्चुअली. सो आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल टू योर होल टीम, द दिल्ली टीम एज वेल एज यू सर. थैंक यू सो मच.
थैंक यू सो मच आंटी, दिस इज सो, थैंक यू सो मच आखिरी में मेंशन करने के लिए। आई विल पास दिस ऑन टू द दिल्ली टीम, इवन इफ वो मेंटर का नाम नहीं पता है, बट आई एम श्योर द होल टीम विल बी सुपर डुपर हैप्पी एंड it's good that we have the right people in place to take care of the Delhi center. So thank you so much, aunty.
थैंक यू सो मच.
ठीक है,
थैंक्स अ
थैंक यू सो
लॉट.
मच।
thank you, yeah. Thank you.